As a mom, one of the most important things to me is making sure my baby has a safe, comfortable space to sleep. And the Besrey 5-in-1 Baby Bassinet and Bedside Sleeper makes that so easy. It's designed with convenience in mind. The 360 swivel wheels make it super easy to move from room to room, and they lock securely in place when needed. What I love the most is how easily it transforms into a bedside sleeper. It keeps my baby close and safe at night, and it's so easy for me to reach her for nighttime feedings or comfort. The little details really make a difference. It even comes with a mobile to keep baby entertained and a diaper bag attachment for quick, easy access to all of the essentials. I have everything that I need right next to me, which makes changing diapers in the middle of the night so much easier. This bassinet also has 5 adjustable height levels, so it works perfectly with different bed heights. And with just a flip of a latch, it can also transform into a gentle rocker to help soothe baby back to sleep. A small, gentle rock can do so much to help calm her down when she's getting fussy. I can easily transform this back into a bassinet and move it to wherever I need it. What I love about this as well is as she grows, I can continue to keep using it. This bassinet transitions into a mini crib for safe sleep as she gets older. It can also be used as a portable play yard for when she's ready to explore. This is so stylish, functional, and versatile. I love that I can use it through every stage. Thank you, Besrey, for creating a bassinet that truly grows with our family.